was that before the stoplight?
What was that, guys? 2, 3. Smiling. Grinding, what are we doing? We're starting to look up. Heading breakfast at Bill Square. Mom, Dad, and me. She got done ordering. I got 2 pancakes with sausage links. And my dad, they both got the villager. She just got done eating. I didn't quite eat it all, but Mom finished it for me.
Nothing new with that.
And as my dad says, just got done with breakfast and
Don't know. They haven't filled these
Yeah.
streets yet. Oh, going back to bed.
just got done. Got home.
Going back to bed.
Right now, I'm going to Quick Trip. So I'm not really sure. Where does the car take me? Take from store, one going store. Take from Quick, one Quick Trip. We'll see though. Well, just got done with the went to store. Decided to. I got this monster. I'll head home. Just got home from the store. Right now, head to work at sales 12 to whenever. Just got done work. I'm on a let's see, 2-hour break, and then come back at 6. Of course, I got a cow burger and chips. Well, I just got home about 10 minutes ago, and I forgot to vlog. I know, forgot, but I just tried the cow burger and chips. How long were you? No. Just got home from and back to sales. 6 to close. And I don't know if it's really kind of crazy, but it's kind of a downpouring, and I had to run, so chill, and yeah. So I'm gonna be wet when I go to work, cause there's my door. Where was I earlier there? My door, self runs a lot farther than that. So yeah. Just got done with sales. It's about 10:53. Now I'm heading home. Of course, got my number 2 cowboy burger of the day. And I'm back here tomorrow. Well, actually, today I'm back here. But, yeah. Alright, guys. I just haven't that for a while. I got home. Did not do much. Came home. Watched the Gophers. Watched them lose. And watched them end their season. And yeah, but Colton, Corson, and neighbor were on. I came home from work, and guys going, wow, another boring vlog. Yes, I know it's been boring, but I've been working. That's the problem. But tomorrow I might be able to get a golf round in, maybe one. But I do work tomorrow at 4. But maybe I can get 1 golf round in. I hope I can, because I just want to golf real bad. And so you guys will see that and more. And then, yeah. But Mother Nature, you probably won't be able to see this, but you don't know. Probably can't even see right now. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, fuck. That scared the shit out of me. Got my shoes. There it is. Mother Nature is like, as you guys saw earlier when I went to work. It was pouring like shit. Well, in cells, we had like water pouring in like a waterfall into windowsills. And I'm not sure you can see it, but yeah, we have water in our basement. And yeah, so this is all gonna be like taken care of tomorrow. And but sometimes I'm dry, so yeah. But let's see, like towards the south, that's kind of deep. Over here is dry. Right here in the office, pretty deep. By the way, I am wearing shoes and not that dumb. And yeah, this is a lot. This is we have more in the rear. Over here. Very little in the back room area. Bob's room not gonna go in. He's probably gonna yell at me. Oh, yep, that's about that. So yeah, we have water in our basement, and yeah. But we have all the drugs up, everything you see. But of course, I would not bring the PS. I gotta save PS4 just in case some random thing happens. I brought the PS4 out of my room just for tonight till this thing clears up. Cause you know I can't. I haven't stayed away from PS4 for a couple days, but no, I just gotta stay here now. But yeah, that's what a Mother Nation does. And then, yeah. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If Frank can't see me, but whatever. So let's get a recap day going. Ahead. One day and 1 Monster Energy. I played a couple games, 2K. Oh, actually 3 games, probably MLB. And then I did not play 2K, but I played MLB. So that's about recap day. You guys did pretty video. I appreciate. Hit like, don't forget to channel, turn post notifications on. See you guys next time. Peace.